Hindi naman we're in the secret harbor at the moment. We're gonna try something special for tonight.
We're gonna try to catch some malaway, some whiting.
We're always targeting that one. But it's been 10 years now. Still, it's hard to find it.
Catch of the day. Kita mo? Punta ka na kung di kita nasabit, di mo pa alam. Salamat ka sa akin, sinabi kita. Hindi ko alam na nila, ano ka,